Welcome to my channel Home Gardening. Today's video is on Golden Duranta, the hedging plant which is commonly used for making separations in lawns of offices, houses, hotels, institutes and so on. Yes, this plant exists in my lawn also. Separating our garden from the walkway. Look, in half part of this separation, this Duranta has sparsely covered. Since last year, I have been trying to grow this plant to make a bushy, continuous hedge of Golden Duranta. But this time, I have modified the strategy of planting this plant. This is a 1-year-old Golden Duranta plant. I have grown this from cuttings of my own existing plants. Before giving any fertilizer, tilling of the soil is very important and it makes the soil loose also. Tilling helps to pass oxygen throughout the soil, which in turn helps in the root growth of the cuttings. Duranta doesn't need any special fertilization policy. Still, we are using here cow dung manure, and this is solid organic compost and some urea for initial growth of the cuttings. Before giving it in the soil, we need to mix these three things together. After providing the fertilizer, we will leave the soil for a day as it is, and after a day we will start planting. This helps the soil to breathe. I am taking the cutting from the top part of the Golden Duranta plant, that is the younger part. So always take cuttings from the younger part only while you are trying to grow it. The cutting from the younger stem is easy to grow compared to the cuttings from the bottom part of the plant. My scissor is clean. Always use a sterilized scissor while you have planned for taking cuts from the tree or plant. This is one of the cuttings of the Golden Duranta. Now I am going to remove the bottom leaves. This is the way of preparing the cuttings. You always have to take the cuttings in such a way that there will be a node just above the cut end. So you can see that here is a node, and below this node I have cut it. This is how I have prepared the cuttings. Now I will dip the end of the cutting into this rooting hormone which I have bought from online store. You can see that I am dipping each of the cut ends into the rooting hormone. Rooting hormone promotes the root growth. Now I have prepared all the cuttings by dipping each of them into the rooting hormone. Now I am going to plant these cuttings into the soil. First I am making holes in few centimeters apart. Golden Duranta grows well in monsoon season, so I have decided to grow my Golden Duranta during monsoon time, and this is monsoon here, so this is the best time for growing Golden Duranta. It takes time to grow, and this is one of the reason that this time I have tried with rooting hormone also. This is my update after 2 months. You can see that all the cuttings have set very well into the soil and new leaves are emerging from each of the cuttings. The key requirements for the growth of golden duranta are: plants require plenty of sunlight and regular watering. Okay, that's all about golden duranta. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and press the bell icon as well for getting notifications for my future videos. Take care. Bye bye.